Hello beauties, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time seeing my face, my name is Atineke. So today I'm going to be sharing with you how I achieved this lovely DIY crochet cap wig. So I'm showing you guys what I'm going to be using from the beginning: the cap itself, the crochet cap, the crochet hook, and Xpression braiding hair. So now you can see me just pulling the tip of the hair out. After I'm done pulling the tip of the hair out, I'm going to be brushing it down so that we can start crocheting with it. So if you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I really appreciate you so much, guys. Please do not forget to subscribe if you've not subscribed. Support your girl by clicking on the subscribe button. Make sure you turn on notification bell so that you can be notified when your girl upload a new video. Now I want to sew the wig cap on this face cap. I'm going to sew it down. You have to be careful when you want to do this, so that the cap won't shrink when you want to put it on, so that it will be your perfect size. You don't have to tighten your hand when sewing it down. After I'm done sewing the cap down, I'm going to be cutting the excess. You have to be careful when cutting these parts so that you won't spoil the sewing you've done earlier. You have to be careful. You have to cut it little by little. Do not rush when cutting this part out. You have to detangle the hair very well before you start crocheting with the hair. Make sure you detangle it very well. So now at this part, you are going to take a very tiny amount of hair to crochet on this cap. You don't have to use a big quantity to crochet because it won't be easy for you when you want to put it on. It won't be your size, so you have to crochet a very tiny amount of hair. As I crochet, I twist so that the hair won't get tangled. I twist it down to protect it so that it won't get tangled when I'm done doing it. You can see I crochet 2 layers, but later on the hair was not giving me the kind of volume I want, so I crochet another 3rd layer on it. Just keep on watching. You are going to see what I'm trying to explain. I cut 1 pack of Xpression hair. I cut it into 3. I didn't even finish 1 pack of Xpression hair. I sectioned 1 pack into 3. Yeah. this was what I was trying to explain. I've already crocheted 2 steps, so this is the 3rd step I'm doing now, just crocheting it on that part. And again, I didn't leave any space when I'm crocheting. I crochet near each other, no space, so that the hair will have a lot of volume, and so that I won't crochet big quantity. The more I crochet tiny quantity, so I won't leave any space. Do you grab what I'm trying to explain? I'm trying my best to explain this part very well. This is why I love working in section. When I crochet a little, I twist, or I use a fancy band to hold it down, so it will be very easy for me to work with, as in to straighten or to comb it out. It will be very easy for me. So this is what you are seeing me doing, just combing the hair through before I use my straightener to straighten it. I ran out of weave on oil, so I make use of my shea butter. Yes, you can actually use shea butter to straighten your hair. Do not allow your straightening iron to be hot when straightening this hair, unless you want to roast it. You can see how the hair looks so natural. It was not even really obvious that I crocheted the hair. So you just have to keep going in with your straightening iron. Do not allow the straightening iron to be very hot. You can see the way I'm just combing through it, very easy. So ta-da, final look. Thank you so much for watching. If you are still watching to this part, I really appreciate it so much for your support, for your love. Please do not forget to like. It's very important for you to click on the like button. That is how you're going to allow YouTube to push out my video. Please support your girl. To make video is not easy. Support me. See my next video. Stay blessed. Ciao. I love you. Mwah, mwah.